Welcome to your first guided meditation. This short practice will help you become more aware of your breath and cultivate a sense of calm. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to relax, and if you feel comfortable, gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest softly in your lap or by your sides. Now, let's bring our attention to our breath. You don't need to change your breathing in any way. Just notice the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Feel the gentle rise of your chest or belly as you breathe in, and the soft fall as you breathe out. Simply observe this natural, continuous flow of air. For the next few moments, continue to focus on your breath. Notice the subtle sensations of each inhale and each exhale. You might feel the air entering your nostrils or the gentle movement in your body. Allow yourself to simply be present with your breath in this moment. As you continue to breathe, you might notice your mind wandering. This is perfectly normal. When you realize your thoughts have drifted, gently guide your attention back to your breath. There's no need to judge yourself or get frustrated. Just acknowledge the thought and return to the sensation of breathing in and breathing out. As we come to the end of this short meditation, take a moment to notice how you feel. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes when you are ready. Slowly and softly open your eyes. Carry this feeling of calm awareness with you as you continue with your day.